then since it's only going to be like 1 year, right, for you, one and done. So there's that somehow pressure or extra push to like make the most out of your 1 year. Diba? What is that one thing that you would want the UAAP community to like remember you for, if ever, for this season?
Nothing like physical or through numbers. It's more so my passion and determination on the court. No matter whether it's point number 1 or game point, I'm always gonna give it my all. So that's something that you'll always see. Whether we've had a long rally and we're fatigued from there, but you'll still see I'm giving my 110% no matter what. I think that's something that I think they can remember me by, and that I'm hoping to instill in the younger ones as well.
Talk about awards naman, because we know that Kian, Yasha, and Bian, high school awardees din, diba, in UAAP. And Nina is also a 2-time, diba, UAAP best middle blocker. So, is there any pressure on your end to like get an individual award this season, or what's the most important thing for this season for you guys? Final Four. Bien. Final Four. Or more, diba? Or championship, diba? So, Kian, I think one of the main things that we needed for this season is opposite, diba? It's really the position that Steph left. So, with you being the starting opposite for the past games in the preseason, what's your motivation for this coming season? Do you want to be best opposite or rookie of the year?
My motivation for this season is my seniors.
Ay?
Yeah. Kasi gusto ko pong bigyan sila ng magandang exit. And I don't think about the awards kasi mas important ko sa akin yung as a team. Yung goal nila as a team. So,
Iyak ka na, Nika. Okay, Nika, sige. Having experienced different coaches, different teammates for the past 5 years, diba? What's especially different with this batch of UPWP?
feel like we're a bit more diverse this time. But regardless whether we're all different, we can easily come together. We can easily bond. Parang, outside the court, kanya-kanya may mga groups kami, may mga friend groups kami. But then, kahit magkasama kami sa loob ng court, it's no problem. Hindi siya, for some reason, ewan ko kung siguro dahil senior na ako or what, but ang gaang sa loob ng mga bata talagang, ewan ko lang kung binabackstab kami. As far as I know, ang gaang nila kasama. So, for me, it was really a blessing to get to experience this on my senior year.
I think with Coach Bokbok system naman, meron ba kayong mga, aside from the data-driven approach, meron ba kayong mga quotable quotes na naririnig from Coach Bokbok na yun yung tumatak sa iyo?
One step at a time.
Yes, yeah. One step at a time. Kasi,
Parang di na nga po kami, di ba, focus kami sa Final Four. Parang hindi na po kami nakafocus. Parang yung winning talaga every game. Yun yung parang pinapakita sa amin ni Coach Book na dapat ito muna tayo, ano yung nasa present, yun muna, doon muna tayo mag-focus. So, yun.
Sabi niya, recently lang, sing one at a time, and live in the moment. Don't think too much of the future. Always be on the present and be a task-oriented person. Don't think too much in the future.
okay, how about naman sa mga ates? May mga quotable quotes ba kayo from Ate Nika, Ate Nina, and Cassie? Quotes.
Eso.
Ano?
Expression na kasi. It's similar to eso. Spanish.
Sige, so the next part is meant to really, parang get to know the team more and how you've been bonding for the past month. So, gusto lang namin malaman yung mga tingin niyo sa isa't isa. first part, who's likely to become a coach in the future? In this, sino si Cassie? Si Cassie. How about it's always late in training?
Oh, look! On time ako dumadating.
On time kami.
Buzzer beater.
Buzzer beater!
Who's most likely to date another UAP player in the team? Right? Si Bien.
Si ano daw?
Parang may nakita akong
sa
story.
basketball.
Parang Team B.
Men's.
UP Team B.
Hindi mo!
Anyway, sige.
Sino ang may pinakamabangong knee pads?
Sinika! Ako talaga!
Excuse me, nagsalita.
Sorry, elbow pads mo rin.
Baka nasisot pa yan, ha?
Wow, walang laban na season.
Unacceptable. Uy, grabe kayo sa ano.
Sino madalas pagalitan ng coach? Who most likely gets scolded by Coach Bokbok?
Wala pong piliin.
Oo, walang parang...
Actually,
Pero
hindi mo
ngayon-
siya paggagal. Parang sinasabi niya po sa'yo kung ano yung kulang mo at kung ano yung kailangan mong baguhin.
Pero currently, mostly na ang nasisita centers.
Oo,
Currently,
Expected.
Very
Expected.
Most likely to become a celebrity or artist. Artista. Ninja.
Ito!
Kakahilig ka.
Sa message to the UP community siguro, more of like what to expect with the community. I know that you probably seen the support of the community. Sometimes it's not that much in UPWBP, but I think it's definitely going to grow the next few years.
Hi, UP community. I know things haven't been the best for the team this past few seasons, but this time, I promise, it's very different, and we hope to see you there.
How about the rookies? Yasha?
Hello UP community. Abangan niyo po kami ngayong season and ipapakita namin yung tapang at talino na sinasabi ng group.
Yes!
Hello po UP community. I would like to thank you po sa lahat ng mga suporta niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po dahil hindi niyo po kami kinakalimutan palagi. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank, of course, last year when my mom passed, I haven't got a chance to thank you. So, thank you so much for all the support, the moral support, the financial support. I thank you. I'm very grateful for all of you. I love you.
Cassie. Message to the community.
Hi, UP community. I wanted to thank you guys on behalf of the team sitting with you all in the stands last year for season 86. So thank you to the past supporters and the new incoming supporters that, just like Nika said, this is definitely a different team that from what you've seen before. We've got a lot of new players and a whole new culture that I think it'll be a good surprise for you guys to watch.
Hey, okay.
Meeting! Tama! UP! Laban! Love that.